Okay, got my Dakota fire hole in-ground rocket stove fired up, and I need to do some finishing touches, like cover these ports with dirt and rocks. We got plastic, you can see that there. Vinyl is a waterproof barrier, and then aluminum foil and some old insulation we pulled out of a building. The trench is parabolic, meaning it's sloped sides and the pipe is down at the bottom of the trench. Right here you can see I used a real heavy, let me get the stick here. I used real heavy pipe, steel pipe, instead of stove pipe for most of it. Right in there, that's you can see dirt falling down in there into the rocks around the stovepipe. These are two pieces of normal stovepipe. The first part there is an elbow, and then that goes into a T, and then I've got that going into heavy tube steel pipe. That's 1/4 inch wall. Could be normal stovepipe, no big deal, because it cools down as it goes out. So from that first piece on, could be normal stovepipe. The greatest heat is obviously right here in the burn chamber. Centered there would be the fuel port, where you would put, grab a piece of wood here, a little piece of wood maybe. Okay, so I'm going to put a piece of wood down in there. That's the fuel port, and you can see the flames pretty much going sideways, and it kind of varies in how it's working. A couple of reasons for that. The stovepipe actually goes downhill slightly, and if I would have, well, I should have just put it perfectly level. I don't think that affects it too much, but it might. And then, of course, as the earth heats up, it's going to reflect upward because I've got the plastic and the insulation. You can see some over there. And then it goes out of the dome. This is a zip-tie dome from ziptiedomes.com. I'm going to show a hub here. Uses PVC and inner ring of 2-inch PVC. The hub, the major part of the hub, is 4-inch PVC, and you can buy the entire dome ready to assemble, or you can buy the hubs and cut the struts yourself. You can see that has red tape on it, and then it's all color coded, so you can put red tape, struts with red tape into the, there's a blue hub, that's a 6-way hub, pretty standard for geodesic domes. A 6-way hub, and then the zip ties lock it together. This is a 5-way hub, so you got 5 struts going into that. And then I'm going to back out a little bit here, and you can see the pentagon. Get back quite a ways. It's a big pentagon. This is the struts on this are very long. This is basically a light duty dome. There you go. Pentagon, and then right next to it will be a hexagon. So it's a 16-foot 2V dome. So it goes hex, hexagon, pentagon, hexagon. Okay, yeah. Pentagon, and then right adjacent to it is a hexagon, and then the next thing is a pentagon, and then the next one is a hexagon, pentagon, hexagon, etc., etc. And then the peak is a pentagon. And they're just easy to put up. very fast. You can build a door for it. I haven't done that yet. I just have an opening because it's nice out. But I'm going to step outside here to my exhaust port. So the pipe comes out underground. You can see a little bit of sunlight there. So the you can't see anything now. I had it uncovered, but the pipe comes right there underground. Here's the exhaust stack, and I've got 2 pieces of pipe on that. You can see a little bit of smoke. When it's burning hot and burning clean, there's no smoke in there, although I do have some burn material down in that pipe, just because I wanted to make it really suck well, vent well, keep smoke out of it. I think what I may end up doing is taking that pipe and redoing it and making it level, and I should have done that. So there you go.